What is up, Pyros? We are getting ready for the 4th. Started to put igniters in the cakes. Did a little bit today, but got a whole bunch of stuff. Slices. Got some strobes down there. Got a bunch of single shots, which are cool. We got all this stuff to poke still. Bunch of, I got 109 cakes. Gonna go for the body of the show. Then I'm gonna throw a bunch of 200 grammers, a whole bunch of shells, and then I got one of my buddies. He's gonna do the finale this year for me. Got some good stuff. Got some black powder for fireballs. Gonna have a couple of those in there this year again. Got the igniters. These are the quick ones, but it's not quick for me because I don't have a Cobra, so I gotta take those off. Slows me down a little bit, but it's all right, no big deal. Got a bunch of raccoon items. So these are compound cakes. Tie them all together, and they're like a mini show in a box. Kind of like your 1-1s, but a heck of a lot cheaper. So got all that. I do got some 1-1s down there somewhere in this pile. Let's see what we got in here. We got some good stuff in here. All quick matched, ready to go. Your main fuse, your backup fuse. Those are cool. I lit one off earlier. It's pretty fun. Got a couple racks, got a slice. So for these single shotters. But that's the beginning. I will show some more after I get some more poked. I gotta do a whole setup. We got to figure out what we're going to do. So everything on the floor here is all for the show. I do have another order to go pick up. It's a 76 order, all the bunch of the Pro line items. I think I got like 10 or 12 more cases of Pro line. So I'm going to throw all that Pro line in there too. And then y'all seen the rack already. All the good stuff. So this is where we're at. All these are ignited, ready to go. Got a long ways to go. Like I said, it was like 109 cakes, not including the shells or any of these or the raccoon stuff or none of the slices either. So it's going to be one heck of a show again this year. We normally put one heck of a good show on. So I will keep it coming so y'all can keep update on it. Let me know what y'all are thinking. All right, Pyro out.